Hi guys, katatapos ko lang mag-gym. So, magpapalit tayo ng bedsheet ngayon. Kasi madumi na kasi yung mga pusa. Mga pusa, natutulog dito. So, tapos lang namin. Tapos ko lang mag-gym. Piniton pa ako. Kasi naliligo din ako pagkatapos ko nito. Pagkatapos ko magpalit. Naliligo.
Well, I'm gonna give you the $28 for the gym.
Huh?
After I get the $28, I'm gonna give you the cash when I get back.
You give me $28?
Cash for the gym.
Okay.
They might charge me today or tomorrow.
The doctor, the son, he need medicine.
Hmm?
He need medicine, he need medicine.
What can I mix it with?
You need that's the sticky food too, you can put the medicine. He is sick, no?
Wait till I get back.
Don't bring outside now because he's sick.
Hmm?
Bye guys.